Got all 5 of my cats a new toy. They seem to be quite enjoying it. They don't actually know what to make of it at the moment, but they're very interested. There's just one white cat missing, Snowy. That white cat is called Casper. Then we've got Fluffy here. Then we've got Buffy, the Vampire Slayer. And then Coco. Coco is her name, but we call her Kokio. New cat toy just come on Amazon. Thought we'd try it. My son there, Harry, doing nice drawings. It is bringing some clouds and numbers that rain initially to Ireland, and then the clouds will thicken across the west. But the day's temperature is decent, 18 in London. Hope you like these videos. If you want to see anything different with the cats or anything different with me, please comment and let me know. Thank you.